right? Mom Precious James. You guys, and for Mom Monica, guys, please support for Mom Monica. This Mom Precious also, please support and her channel. Yeah, I put now Mom Precious your banana. Yeah, banana. Listen. Sir Dad, thank you, Sir Dad, for the giving super chat, Sir Dad. Thank you so much, okay? Gift for you. Okay, thank you, Sir Dad, ha? Yeah, please support for Mom Precious, guys, okay? Thanks. You're welcome, Sir Dad, ha? Mom Precious for you, right? Mom Precious, I put for you. I'll be back to work. Okay, Sir Dad, thank you so much, and God bless to you, Sir Dad. Yeah, Mom Precious, I put for you, okay? Blessings, Dad. Okay. You guys, I'm not long time, guys, huh? Because it's 5 o'clock now, guys. I want to go back in my work, guys. Yeah, Mom Precious, I'm here. I will give you also the banana, okay? Banana, fruit salad. Yes, yes, ended Precious. I will this one. Link 100. You have more notify here. Yeah, Mom Precious, already I put Precious James. You know, just me only, I know the writing. It's like a doctor, this one. Sometimes I cannot read my writing. Okay, yeah, I put already, And how many your channel now? Wow, 9,180. 9,180. 80, yeah. 900, 1,080 your channel, Mom Precious James. This is 5 o'clock now, guys. I make coffee. It's coffee time. Arabic coffee. I make Arabic coffee. Have guest here, Madam Sister. You guys, please put that more Precious, guys, okay? That is new upload. Feedback. Amen that. Yeah, you know, sir, that is like for Mom Rosalie, it's for praying, yeah, good for praying. Mom Rosalie, Mom Bless Journey.